You will not want to miss out on this challenge because it's just one day. You can do this starting today or plan it out so you can perfectly do it the next day. And then there is literally nothing to lose. So I don't want you to miss out on this. I recently did this and it felt amazing. I want to keep doing it. But the first thing you need to do is set out a challenge that, in a way, just for you. Doesn't apply to me, this doesn't apply to the person to your left, but for you, a challenge that will make you seek discomfort. So for example, me, I used to be terrified of like just walking up to people and talking to them. So for a whole day, I made it a challenge to talk to every person that I see that I walk by. Everyone. Maybe for you, it's run a mile for every hour that you're awake. Maybe it's don't go on a phone for a whole day. Maybe it's sit in silence for an hour. Maybe it's compliment 10 people. Try to do it for whatever that challenge is the whole day. Don't go easy on yourself, because the more challenging, but yeah, I can probably do this, it is, the more change and discomfort you'll get, the more growth, the more lessons, the more achievements, the more success. You can either comment what that challenge is going to be for one day in the comments of this video, and you can find other ideas in the comments, hold yourself accountable, but you can also join the free community that I have in the description. A lot of people are doing it in there too. But you can learn from your findings after you experiment for yourself in one day. You can find takeaways and lessons you've learned from that one day, how you can take it with you into the future. You can record your progress and thoughts. And like I said, use the free like-minded club that I have in the description. You can find more in depth of my challenge and how I did it, other people's challenges, and just more things along the way. There's hundreds of people in there all trying to get better and improve, so you're not alone while you're doing it. I feel like this is such a good way you can be like, all right, let me just lock in for a day and see what happens, see how I can change. I can't wait to see you inside the free community, and best of luck. Have fun.